If you hold cryptocurrencies, you need to watch this video because I have some extremely important information. There are lawmakers actually going to prevent us from having to report any crypto transaction around $200. Breaking information. Make sure you watch this video until the end. You cannot miss anything that I have in store for you today. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss these absolutely time-sensitive videos. And if you love cryptocurrencies, go ahead and show your support for the crypto community by giving this video a thumbs up. It really helps to get these videos out there to people who need to hear this information. And if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trading community in the world, go ahead and join the Patreon right now in my link below. In my Patreon, I do constant newsletters and updates about the crypto market, what's happening at all times, when you should be buying, when you should be selling. I let you know about cryptocurrencies that are about to go crazy, like baby Inu up nearly 100x from just a few days ago. You can even speak to me on the phone. We can go over your current portfolio. We can make you money in crypto, so go definitely check out the Patreon. In addition, make sure you join the free Telegram. We have a free Discord. And don't forget to get your 2 free stocks worth up to $3,500 by creating an account with my WEBULL link below. All you have to do is deposit 1 penny and they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $3,500 that they will send you and you can sell. So make sure you check out all the links in my video description, my crypto trading course, my social media links. We're gonna go ahead and dive straight into the content right now. So as of looking at the market right now, the market has pretty much been sideways the last day or so. And there's some green, there is some red, but mostly we are actually seeing green. Some cryptocurrencies are up 10%, 12%, 15%. But most normal cryptocurrencies are kind of just trading sideways. Nothing really big happening today, not much volume happening in the crypto market. And most importantly, what we are seeing is some very good news coming out. US lawmakers reintroduced bill to stop IRS from taxing crypto transactions under $200. This is certainly a very, very good thing that's happening. So like I have been telling you all, there are people that work in the government that are pro cryptocurrencies, and there are also people that work in the government that of course are against cryptocurrencies. But luckily there are some very powerful people in these circles in the government that actually are fighting for us, fighting for people who hold, invest, and trade cryptocurrencies. And some people have been wanting to cause the IRS to have to report every single transaction under $200, over $200. Any small transaction, they want reported to the IRS, where you have to calculate capital gains, you have to count losses. That's so much for them to do. But the House Representative Susan Bean introduced the latest iteration of the bill, said the United States needs to ensure that our tax code evolves with the use of our virtual currency. So as they are seeing, cryptocurrencies are evolving. They're becoming a very big thing now. A lot of people are spending money on cryptocurrencies. They are using cryptocurrencies to buy things with. And if cryptocurrencies are going to become super popular, super big, it would literally be a huge nuisance and a preventative thing for people to use cryptocurrencies if you have to report every time you go buy a candy bar with Dogecoin. So what we are seeing is that they are trying to fight this so that we won't have to do this. And it is looking very, very good that this actually may be a potential outcome, that we won't have to report these really small transactions. And there's even more good news coming out along these same lines. And huge precedent, the IRS says it will not tax unsold and staked cryptocurrency. So they're saying if you are staking a cryptocurrency, if you have not sold a cryptocurrency, then you do not have to report it. So you can receive it. If you hold it without selling it, you will not be taxed. And that is a very good thing, because a lot of people have money in MetaMask, they have money everywhere else, especially from buying small coins like baby Inu, where people are up 20x, 30x. And that's a lot of taxes to report. So luckily, there are also people trying to fight against this so that we won't have to be reporting a bunch of crazy things that people were being very, very fearful about. And we do know that the president is, I believe, going to be speaking this coming Monday, potentially about cryptocurrencies and things similar to it. So I'm thinking that there could be some volatility leading up to that particular day. And that's maybe why we are seeing the market slow down a little bit. Maybe that's why we are seeing the market very, very traded with very low volume. And that's what I'm particularly thinking was happening to the market. That's kind of why we were trading sideways. Now make sure you continue to stay in this video because we have some very good information. So if we actually take a look at the charts, what we have been seeing is a recovery. We've been seeing the crypto market bounce up. It's looking very good. It's starting to look bullish. But just the other day for Bitcoin, we did see a rejection and we did fail to make a higher high in this area, creating another low, which is actually a lower low previous than the higher low before it. And when things like that happen in technical analysis, it could actually be pointing that we might actually be headed down. So I'm a bit concerned to a small degree, and I am getting ready and prepared to make some moves. And if we do end up getting a bounce from here, this could actually be a very good thing that we will most likely, especially with good news coming out like this, that we will most likely have a pretty decent balance, which could be easily traded. So we're going to be taking a look into this in the Patreon. And if the charts start to make some moves here, we will be doing some buy alerts. We have some great crypto projects coming out. There's a whole bunch of things happening this year. So make sure you join the Patreon so you get access before everyone else to these cryptocurrencies and so forth. And overall, even if you take a look at Ethereum, you can see Ethereum and some of these altcoins are actually more bullish than Bitcoin. And that's always a very interesting thing. When you start to see the altcoins start to way outperform Bitcoin, that's potentially showing us that we may be soon entering into the altcoin season. And moving on to the last point, if you guys want to get a really cool cryptocurrency called Baby Lambo Inu, they're doing a Lambo giveaway. They have a use case where they're giving to women and children's abuse centers. They have an incredible roadmap. They're doing NFTs. They have a whole bunch of stuff happening, guys. You should check this project out, babylamboinu.io. Go down to their socials, join their Telegram, see what they are about. This is a really cool community. The project is already 100x from last Thursday. Just amazing things happening. Literally, it's been a week and they've nearly 100x'd. Now, if you've gotten something out of the video so far, thank you for staying, and give this video a thumbs up if you would consider it. It really helps us support the channel, like I said, and also consider sharing this video with a friend or family member on Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, and I will see you all later. Have a great night.